Right guys, okay, so I'm going to walk you through the IVF process using a couple of rabbits, not real rabbits. So this is building on your knowledge of controlling fertility in the menstrual cycle, so the hormones that are involved in controlling ovulation, because obviously ovulation is essential in order to create an embryo. So those people that can't conceive naturally, which can be for a variety of reasons. So in the males, it could be poor sperm motility or poor sperm health in general, or in females, it could be a lack of some of these fertility hormones like luteinizing hormone or follicle stimulating hormone. Okay, so I'm going to model the process of IVF using a couple of rabbits. So I've got a male and female rabbit here. And I've got 2 syringes containing synthetic fertility hormones. Okay, so I'm going to call the orange one follicle stimulating hormone, and the white one is going to be luteinizing hormone. So the first thing that I'm going to need to do is to inject the follicle stimulating hormone into the female. So that's going to stimulate the ovaries to mature multiple eggs. Then I'm going to inject luteinizing hormone, which is going to stimulate ovulation. So here's a close-up of an ovary. This is my ovary in the rabbit, and that now has multiple eggs ready to ovulate. Okay, so multiple eggs ready to be harvested. So those will be collected from the female, sort of surgically, and placed in a petri dish. And then around about the same time, we're going to collect some sperm from the male. So again, we're going to have a petri dish and collect some sperm from the male. Okay, I'm not going to model that. I think you can all figure out how sperm would be collected from the male. And then we're going to mix the sperm with the eggs. And then under the right conditions, so suitable temperature in a suitable solution, the sperm will fertilise an egg. So we should end up with multiple fertilised eggs, multiple zygotes, which will be then checked after a few days using a microscope. We will check that the embryos are developing normally, and we will select a few healthy embryos, and any leftover embryos can be stored, frozen for future use, or with consent from the couple they can be used for stem cell research. Okay, so we've got our embryos, healthy embryos, and we're going to implant 2 or 3 of those into the female. Okay, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, so we've got 1 left over, we'll put that in for freezing. And hopefully the female rabbit's body will do the rest. So the implantation should take place as normal in the uterus, and then hopefully a few months later a baby rabbit will arrive, or multiple baby rabbits, depending on how many of those healthy embryos have developed normally. So often with IVF you can get multiple pregnancies, so 2 or sometimes even 3 individuals can be born at the same time as a result of IVF. Okay, so any questions, you can chat to me on Teams, but get some notes down in your book using that template in the PowerPoint. Okay.